You got to have friends. The feeling's oh so strong.
Hi, I'm Tim Baumgartner and Arthropods means jointed legs.
Hi, I'm Jenny Carr and all arthropods have an exoskeleton, which means outside head. Hi, I'm Alexa and all arthropods motor legs. Their exoskeleton is that way.
Most animals belong to the last invertebrate phylum, Arthropod, which means jointed feet. They all have an exoskeleton or outside skeleton, which these animals need to molt or shed in order to grow. Our students are observing preserved, really large crayfish, representing the crustaceans. They are drawing and labeling their two body parts, the cephalothorax and abdomen, as well as the appendages. It's a real challenge to draw the preserved centipedes, with their one pair of legs on each body segment, and the millipedes with two pairs of legs per segment. The hardest part is counting the sections. Scorpions preserved in plastic, a favorite, represent the arachnids with their two body parts, the cephalothorax and abdomen, and four pairs of legs. The insect group has more species than all of the others combined. We're using preserved grasshoppers as the insect representative. Drawing with careful attention to detail, students show the three body parts, head, thorax, and abdomen, and the three pairs of legs.
The crayfish is a crustacean, and this part is the cephalothorax. This part is the abdomen. These are the antennae. That's the claw, and the little legs are the walking legs. We're here to tell you about what's the difference between centipede and millipede. Centipede has one pair of legs in each segment, and a millipede has two pairs of legs in each segment.
Okay, which one is the carnivore? Carnivore is the centipede, and the millipede is a herbivore. Excellent.
My name is Sarah Coretti, and this is the scorpion, and it has a cephalothorax and an abdomen, and at the end of the abdomen, there's a stinger, and it reaches over the back of it to sting its prey, and it has the senses throughout the cephalothorax and abdomen, and these are the balls.
This is the grasshopper. It has three body parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. It has three stages of metamorphosis through life. It's the egg, nymph, and the queen. The nymph is just a smaller adult.
The first vertebrate phylum is fish. They all have a spinal cord, gills for breathing, and are cold-blooded. This lab is very exciting, since all the preserved specimens are really large. The most primitive group of fish is called the jawless fish. Here we examine the preserved lamprey. This cartilage skeleton fish has no jaws, fins, or scales, and sucks out the flesh of its prey with its suction cup mouth. The next group, the cartilaginous fish, also has a cartilage skeleton with no scales. However, they do have fins and are best known for their jaws. Here we study the preserved dogfish shark, skates, and rings. The last and largest group of fish is the bony fish. These true fish have a bony skeleton, scales, fins, and jaws with lateral lines for balance. We use large, whole fish from the market. They're good examples and can be kept frozen for future use.
Hi Dave, we're studying fish today, and what do you have on your tray?
I have a lamprey, which is a jawless fish. Jawless fish is the most primitive fish. It has a skeleton made of cartilage, which makes it so flexible. The lamprey has no fins, jaws, or scales, and it has a suction cup mouth with sharp teeth inside. It uses its mouth with its teeth to latch onto its prey, and it is very glad to flesh and make it safe.
Let's take a look close. I'm going to zoom in on that.
And just look at that rasping mouth. You can see there's no jaws, it's rounded, and their teeth are all in a circle and it scrapes.
That's feet. And it has no scales, and it is considered a cartilaginous fish.
And it has cartilaginous skeleton.
And it also has jaws. It has jaws, and there's no scales because it has tentacles.
By the way, what is that black thing?
This is a skate-bait fish.
Okay, let's put it down on the tray and I'll get a close-up. Okay.
This is also a cartilaginous fish. The skeleton is made of cartilage, and the shark has no scales. If you rub your finger on it, it has like tentacles that are like little teeth. And on this side, 5 gill.
Okay, I'm going to slide in right there. Okay, we can see the 5 gill slits on each side for breathing. Anything else you want to mention?
It has jaws, and it is caught from a successful predator. An example of the cartilaginous fish is sharks, rays, and squids.
We have a stingray here, and it's a cartilaginous fish, and its skeleton is made of cartilage.
And this has no scales, and it has jaws.
Okay, let's take a close look at it. Maybe one of you will show us where this finger is.
So this is the finger right here.
Okay, thank you.
This is a boomerfish. It is a true fish with a skeleton is made out of stone. And it's the largest group of boomerfish. It has this lateral line that's used for balance in the swimwater to go up and down.
Okay, I'm going to zoom in on that. Maybe you can point out with your pencil where exactly this lateral line is. Okay.
It has scales. It also has fins. An example of bonefish, eel, catfish, swordfish.
Oh, you got to have friends. The feeling's oh so strong.